In this video, I'll show you how to build a base in Airtable. First, sign into your Airtable account and open your workspace. From the home screen, click Create or Add a Base to start building a new database. Next, choose how you want to create your base. You can start with a blank base, use one of Airtable's templates, or import data from another source. Enter a name for your base and select the workspace where you want to save it. After that, create your tables and organize your information. Add fields by clicking the plus button, then choose the field types you need, such as text, numbers, dates, attachments, single select, or linked records. Structure your tables based on how your information is connected. Now add records to your tables and customize your views. You can create grid views, Kanban views, calendar views, or other layouts to manage your data more efficiently. You can also add filters, sorting, and automations to improve your workflow. Finally, review your base and adjust the structure as your needs change. You can add more tables, connect related records, and create interfaces to make your Airtable base easier for your team to use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a base in Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.